Looking for something fun, exciting, and can be enjoyed by everyone? Well, this is your sign to check out Trilscape at Okada, Manila. This indoor adventure zone is packed with over 30 obstacle courses that can get your adrenaline pumping. And guess what? You can book this experience easily through Klook. And you can get additional discount when you use my promo code JKMGTravelKlook. Don't worry, it's beginner friendly and super safe. Kaya let's go! Register na tayo! After mo mag-register, bibigyan ka nila ng grip socks at RFID tag, which will serve as your souvenir na din. They will also assign you a locker. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang changing room. You also need to register your tag on this machine. For our safety, they also gave us a warm-up exercise, which is really fun. Each game has a time limit of 20 minutes per session. You'll get 2 attempts by the way to collect the most points you can, so that you'll be featured in the leaderboard. Each colored box has a different points pala. I suggest you just tap your tag to all of it. You're required to take a break after each set. Perfect for barkada, family, or even a date. Whether you're into chill activity or thrilling challenges, Trilscape has it all. So, if you're looking for something new in the metro, try Trilscape at Okada, Manila.